Hi my stars, so today we're gonna do a double chunky chocolate grape review. I made this. It's not gonna be short. This video is not gonna be short either because I'm also gonna be doing a theory, which I probably think is not foolproof. But yeah, and also I'm gonna show you my nine cat thing I made. Isn't it so cute? Like, oh my gosh. Now let's just eat this grape ASMR. Oh. It's like good, but it's so cold and it's chewy. Break some chocolate off. I put melted, burnt, and raw chocolate in this mixture, so it tastes really good. It was good, but it was so bad as well. I ate one with my mom and her boyfriend earlier. It was like melted. It wasn't like hardened, and that version was better than this one I ate. But maybe I'll make a separate video for my theory I have on. But besides that, let me just say about my dates. So, actually, let me rate that. Sorry, my stars. Give me a second. I'm gonna rate it 7.3 out of 10. I can't do that, bro. I mean, the idea good. Like, everything was good besides like the texture of it and the grape flavor. Nah. Also, I am planning a haunted mansion. Woo! For this year's Halloween, we're gonna do an Area 51 alien Roswell incident theme haunted house. It's gonna be really good. We're gonna try and plan it out now so we can do all stuff later. Also, I still gotta go back to school shopping, bro. And yeah, I still gotta clean my room. The closet is just a big mess. There's stuff right here, but my room is clean. I trust you, but you trust me, right? But this, the closet, I just need the closet. And then Sting right here, that was here last episode, it's not here anymore. But you know why? Because I had to use it for my Area 51 pinboard. Also, yeah, let me show you all my 9 cat merchandise so far I have. So 2 of these 9 cats are fan made. You probably would know what. First we have Tac 9. Your magnets that are too heavy, so they can be used as magnets. 9 cat. Zombie 9. I put a lot of work into this one specifically. Because look at the detail I put on here. I put every single thing on this bit. So, we have blue, and then we have red. Reversal technique. Reversal technique. Purple. Hollow galaxy. Because 9 Cat's based off, like, in the galaxy. It's literally like a space person. I don't know. Give me new ideas for that technique thing, whatever. And, of course, I already showed you this already. I put like a black thing like right here, and I just made it like sharper because I hate how the first results were like. I'm sorry guys, I like to make things perfect. I don't like raw things. There's a black thing right here. I was gonna make this a keychain, but it fell off. And I'm not using the iron right now because my mommy's sleeping on the couch watching the Plankton movie. Don't. What the? I thought I fixed this. Okay, I'll come back to the iron tomorrow to iron this part. But right now, no. And by the way, I made that like last night because she didn't iron it. But what the freak dropped? Dude. Come on now. I was gonna say this, but when the things fell off, I gotta find it. Okay. But anyways, today I woke up. I've had a McGrill and a McMuffin. I should have made it tomorrow. Bro, I gotta start like making videos where like I'm just like eating and ranting. You know, that'll be really more entertaining. I don't know. But yeah, I was watching a bunch of videos, and then I'm also thinking about my next birthday, a Cloud9 theme. So you know how like the yeah, I already told you this last video too, I think. Yeah, I did. And the alien stuff. There's just alien glasses that I Am Cherry and this girl with her hairless cat wore. Bro, I just want those alien glasses so bad, bro. Oh yeah, also I'm wearing a Bakudeku theme necklace. I mean, it's not really a Baku theme necklace, it's just a gold chain with a green and a orange paper clips. I want to get a pink one and put it between, you know? That'd be funny. But yeah, a little Bakudeku fan there to speak a little of Ochako. No. But yeah, Bakudeku sign reference, you know? I just been seeing a lot of orange and green, alright, too. And also, I did get to experience an Olo seeing experience with my mom. So, Olo, okay, it's just a really saturated teal, guys. It's a really saturated teal that's not even on our color wheel. That's why it's a new color. So, if you guys find a really saturated version of like a red or something, you can totally name that whatever you want because that's technically a new color as well. Technically, you know. But anyways, the thing I had in my hand yesterday, I'm still a child. I asked them to like go and clean the shower because I didn't. I really didn't. And now I think about it. Now I'm gonna make this separate video. But yeah. Also today, I realized that purple used to be made out of snail mucus. So, but yeah. Actually, wait a minute. Is that eyeliner here? Oh. I could do my eye combo right now, actually. Okay, guys, this is my eye combo. Okay, first, we are going to do eyeliner. Really hot take, but eyeliner goes first, and then curling, and then lashes, and then you know. So, the mic right here. I'm just also trying to like record these 2 videos right now. I'm trying to record 2 videos right now, or should I just make one the theory one tomorrow? I really don't know. And I'm like really debating the theory because it's genuinely so ass. I mean, not really. But yes, it is really bad. I probably will write a script. Bro, that's probably how bad it will be. I don't know. Bro, I drew on my eyeball. Ugh. See how the difference is already? Let me zoom this in. Okay. We need to turn its brightness down, actually. Oh, yeah, they're awake. I know that, but it's like, it's still kind of scary, guys. It's still kind of scary. Okay, let's just do my eyeballs. Not even black enough, bro. The more blacker, the more better. One eye done. Other eye to go. Okay, why is it like... My mom called me, guys. Freak! Actually... I'll just be right back. Bye-bye. Okay, I gotta rush through this because I just yelled at my mom for no reason. All our mirrors at. I'm genuinely cooked. I don't even know what she said, to be honest. Okay, the eyes are done. Yeah, but seriously, I genuinely don't know. Anyways, we're gonna start with this mascara. Really overrated mascara, I know, but who cares? Curling. I hate myself sometimes. Where's the... What the heck, bro? Mascara on its last lives, bro. Alright, curl this. Bro, is it not even working? Bro! It doesn't even work. Ain't no way. My mascara, my freaking curler broke. Bro, it broke. I don't know if you can see that. Oh well. Mascara. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this and I'm gonna go help my mom, I guess, or just record a new video and take this off. It's a little messy, but basically that's my eye tutorial. I just do eyeliner, mascara, eyeliner, curler, mascara, and this. I couldn't go to curler because curler's broken. Okay, that's gonna be it though. So, make my theory video, and like sooner or later. But yeah, that's why I record videos when I'm asleep, because she just tells me to go and it's like interrupting my video, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't even know how to edit that part out either, but as soon as I know editing, yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Bye, my stars. I'll see y'all in the next one. Yeehaw.